No, keep those lights off. I don't want to see them, I want to feel them. I don't want to see them, I want to feel them, motherfucker. Turn those fucking lights off. Now, ATL, it's been a weird day for me. Therapy is not some motherfucker talking in my ear, talking to some old motherfucker trying to kick some knowledge to me that never stepped in my shoes, never felt me, never lived like us. I don't have nothing in common with a motherfucker like that. All I got is myself, my generation, and those who understand what people like us are going through. So tonight, my friends, tonight, I want to be with some people who are on the same wavelength as me. People who feel the same. Let's go ahead and do it for them. Clap. Let us be heard. Let us be heard. What? Hey, the world changed. In 4 minutes there was no pain. Instead of putting it to all seconds. Hey, I heard lyrics from Kurt Cobain. Yeah, but now they got the shit about hell. I was just waiting from the hospitals. How many kids have these girls killed? How many families can't afford bills? Yo, I wish it out the world knows. There's some good attention. And even though the time seems better, they always waiting for the rainbow. Remember that, Hey, ATL, y'all sing out of the main city so far. Making me real fucking proud tonight. Let us be heard. Voices up. Hey, controls everything we believe in. I can speak up in our darkest hour. Cause it feels like the government just as crooked as these police. I spent the weekend catching up on the news. I thought the man suicide and the shit is put in school. There's some things for the shit of the cool. Enjoy the brother gas, find a famous person breaking the rules out of the field. That's they told me I'm supposed to lose. Just cause I'm inside, cause they don't have eyes. Bad boy with some good in the clothes. Say no to me now. Hands up! Generation that claim can't be shaped, it's important to know we're not blind. We see the truth through the dark eyes. The devil gonna tell you on my feet, they live on my knees. If I